Hi, I'm Ann with Clinton Parkway Nursery, and we're doing a series of workshops on YouTube for this season so that you'll be safe and you can listen to them whenever you want at home. We're at the corner of Clinton Parkway and Wakarusa in Lawrence, Kansas. So if you're driving by, look for the flowers on the roof. That's kind of our trademark. You can see here we've got a little bit of everything out here to give you an idea. We've got, this one's made out of landscape timbers, and basically you can see how we staggered the rows so that gives you more support. Basically cut the timbers in half, and then, well, this one's done a little bit different, but you can easily cut them in half, and then make sure you stagger it kind of like a log cabin, and that gives it more support. You don't have to worry about driving the nail from the top part to the bottom. Just do it one. This has a nail to do the second one. The first one sets on the ground. The second one has a nail going to the first one. The third one has a nail going to the second one. The fourth one has a nail going to the third one. So we just nailed it that way, and it's strong. You're not going to do anything with it on that. You know.
Oh, and build it where you're going to put it.
Yeah, build it where you're going to put it. That's going to be the easiest way. You know, we've got a container here that is basically a raised bed's nothing more than a container garden. So you want a big container. That gives you an idea. We had a tomato in that last year. And then these are grow bags that are kind of the same principle. All you got to do is take them out of the box and fill them with soil. We have one over here that is made out of stone. You don't have to worry about that breaking down. You do have to worry about if you hit it hard with your foot, it's going to hurt, but one of stone. And then we've got some that are made out of treated lumber, and you can see the brackets. That's a fast, easy way to do it. You have 12 inches about as tall as you can go with that, unless you're going to double deck it, and you'll probably have to do some support. And then we did one with cedar that we just hooked up. We've nailed the boards together and have a 4x4 at the corner. You can do the post sticking up. That's a great way to stake some stuff if you'd like. It gives you a little bit of cushion with somebody with a lawnmower. That's part of the reason it's there. The landscape timbers, there's another little one over here that is just a 4x4, so you can make them the size you want. Okay. On the one with the stone, you can see the hoops with plastic. That's a great way to extend your season. And then right beside it, we actually have a cold frame, which you could put on the house or on the bed and do it, do a season extension or an early season that way. You can see it ready to, yeah, that's got the lid on it ready to go. If you opened it up, there's probably some plants in it from this winter that we did on that. Over here we have, our drip irrigation. That what we'll do is we'll put these in the beds. We've got a dripper right here that'll go right by the plant, and then when it waters here, it waters the next one, and there's no water dropped in between. So that's a great way to save water, and it's a slow watering system, and it's low volume so that it gets that plant soaked really good but doesn't waste a lot of water. So that'll give you some ideas of how to do a raised bed. If you've got questions, give us a call, come out, check ours out, ask us questions. We'll be glad to help you. Thanks for watching.